Hi everyone and welcome to your channel Management with Merits, Manage to Prosper. Our channel targets our people in order to equip them with the required managerial and leadership competencies and skills in order to prosper and achieve their goals. Well, for today guys, we're going to start with the first book in our channel, which is, as explained before, the management book. It's a great American book published in 2015 by Pearson. In this book, guys, today we're going to target the first part, which is Introduction to Management. This part contains two chapters. The first chapter talks about managers in the workplace. The second chapter talks about decision making, while there is a special module called the History of Management. Well, about managers in the workplace, we have already talked about this topic, guys, and we said that there are three approaches in describing what managers do, which are the functions approach and the skills approach and the roles approach. So you can refer to the previous video to check what these approaches are. Guys, in management, the main point about all of these approaches is that there is no one universal way towards management, or there is no one best rule towards management. And this was the mistake which happened in the previous managerial and leadership theories. And that's why the history of management is important, because the history of management affects management today. And also management today affects how management and leadership will be tomorrow. The main theories in the management history are the classical theory of management, and then the behavioral approach or the human approach towards management, and then the statistical approach towards management, or which is called the management science, and then you have the contemporary approach, which includes the contingency theory. Decision making, my friends, is the heart of management, because management is simply about making decisions. In decision making, the book gives us a great model for making rational decisions, which contains 8 steps. Well, these steps are, first of all, you have to identify the problem or the thing in which you need to take a decision for. And then you have to identify the decision criteria on what you're going to take your decision. And then you have to give weights for your criteria depending on their importance. And then after that, you have to generate some alternatives that are applicable to solve your problem. And then after that, you have to evaluate your alternatives depending on the criteria that you have taken. After the analyzing of the alternatives comes the selection. Then you have to select the best alternative, and here comes the decision taking. After you select the appropriate alternative, then you have to implement it, because if you don't implement your alternatives, then your decisions have no value. And then after implementation, you have to evaluate the effectiveness of your decision. So if your decision really solves your problem or helps you to reach your goals, then that's fine. If it doesn't, then you have to repeat the cycle again. Well, that's for today, guys. Please make sure to watch our channel. Our production is every Thursday, so please make sure to subscribe to our channel and to activate the notifications bell. Please go to our Facebook page and make lines for us. Watch us and follow us on our website, manwim.com, and participate with us via our email, viewers@manwim.com, and don't forget to follow us via Instagram. Thank you so much, guys. See you next Thursday, and goodbye.